Yep. Trying to get this set up for my GoPro Hero 4. Man, I'm pretty used to this app. You know, I was using it for my Hero 4 session. Yep, I have a GoPro. Let's pair my GoPro. Connect the camera. Allow. You turn on Bluetooth on your camera. It's about to come up right now. It's about to happen, Captain. It's blinking blue over there. Let me see. Hero. This is the one that had the Hero session. And they got the Hero 4. Turn your camera on. Cycle to setup and select mode, which I did. Press shutter twice. Turn on the wireless. I got that. GoPro add.